Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to gift a game to your friend on Steam. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Steam, you want to go ahead and find the game you want to gift. So for example, let's go ahead and choose Flintlock. After that, you want to scroll down until you will see Add to Cart option. Add it to your cart and click View My Cart. After that, you will see that you can choose an option for My Account, but what you can do is click on it and you will see that this is a gift and you can continue with your gift options. Once you will select the gift recipient, you will see all of your friends and you can choose a friend you want to gift it to. You're going to enter the gift message and you can also schedule a delivery, and that's pretty much it how it works. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.